It's been a great day. I mean, not every day, you end the day with, going ahead with, carrying forward a Guinness record holder. I thank all the participants who made this, Intel and CBSE to have this Intel Guinness record for the maximum number of users to be trained in AI in a 24-hour period. Thanks a lot, all. Um, we have already done 3 days of this event, right, of the All.ai 2020 Summit. If I really think about it, the beginning for this today's events was late 3 years, almost 3 years back, when Niti Aayog was coming out with their national AI strategy. That was when we four of us, along in the leadership of Nivruti, came together and we sort of looked at a framework saying that, how can we, what can we do with AI, that actually uses AI to solve social sector challenges, and how do we as a country benefit out of the opportunities that come out of AI, right? Not just economically, but also in terms of improving governance and other related citizen services. Many of the programs that you have launched in this day one, day two, right, are actually something that started from that framework. For example, the AI for Youth program, scaling program, the INAI Applied AI Research Center initiative, and many more things that will come that we'll announce in the coming future, right, are all part of that plan. It started at that time. It's very gratifying moment for all of us, when we see the plan that we have done 3 years back, coming to shape, and from then we have worked very hard on the ground, trying out different things, working with different stakeholders, and today what you really see is 1.0 of this whole initiative, right, and we have many more things to come. The summit itself is actually a reflection of what we believe in terms of doing things one collaboratively, right, and also always looking at what we need is outcome, right. We need to focus on the outcome and outcomes that matter, and also at a scale that is very unique to our country, right. Normally we tend to look at importing things and technologies that really don't work in the Indian ecosystem. What we want to do is build something that really works for India. Just like every day, today's focus was on smart mobility. We had some great speakers from government, industry, startup, academia, and think tanks. Tomorrow we're going to focus on policy and the role of policy in actually enabling all the entrepreneurs, the researchers to create an impact. What we are looking for. Tomorrow event is actually something that we are doing jointly with Indian School of Business, especially ISB's Srini Raju Center for IT and Network Economy. Like every day, I think tomorrow is also, we have a great line of speakers from government, industry, academia, and startups. The core of tomorrow this thing would be that we are launching a study. We are actually releasing the study report, which actually looked at what is the impact of AI on India labor markets. And I hope to see you all tomorrow. Have a great evening and good night. See you tomorrow.